Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Bigin CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a PayPal payment link in your Bigin CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a PayPal link in your Bigin CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your customers forget to pay you, and by sending them a payment link that they can use their PayPal with, it can help increase the chances of them making that payment. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's actually handled here in your Bigin CRM. My video description, I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my Bigin CRM and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know that for this to work, you had to have already connected your PayPal to your Bigin CRM. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But just to give you a quick rundown on how to do that, just click on your gear icon here on the top right. Once you click there, you'll see this gray menu on to the left and click on organization. Okay, once you click there, you'll see these four options at the top. Click on payments. Okay, once you click on payments, you're going to see the PayPal logo right here, and it's going to have a connect button. Go ahead and click on connect and just follow the instructions. Once you've connected your PayPal to your Bigin CRM, you can send a payment link by clicking on pipelines here on the top left. Okay, once you click on pipelines, you're going to see all the different deals you might be working on. And in order to create a payment link, so that way your customers can pay with PayPal, go ahead and click on the deal that you want to receive a payment from. So for example, this one. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to show more information about that particular deal. However, in order to send a PayPal payment link, up here at the top, you want to click on collect payment. Okay, once you click there, this screen's going to pop up. So you want to go ahead and fill this out. So first off is the amount type. So how much are you going to send this PayPal payment link for? So if you leave it here, it's going to be the total amount of the project. You can do a fixed amount, so which is what we're going to do. You can choose the amount, and then also you can leave this up to the customer how much they want to pay. So I'm going to do fixed amount, and let's say we're going to do 20 bucks, and then we're going to put a due date, let's say a little over a week from now. And here you can go ahead and write a description. And once you're ready to go ahead and create that PayPal payment link in your Bigin CRM, click on create link down here on the bottom right. Okay, so once you click there, the share payment link is going to pop up. So here is your link. So what's going to happen is once you share this link, they're going to be able to click on it and they can make a payment through their PayPal. If you've already set up your email in your Bigin CRM like I have, you can easily send out this link directly from your email right down here on the bottom right. Just click on send. So let me go ahead and copy this link and show you what it looks like. Okay, so here is what the link looks like once they click on it. So you can see I've already connected my Stripe account also so they can pay with a credit card. If you only connected your PayPal, they're going to see this right here, PayPal. Okay. And what they can do is just click on PayPal, and that's going to route them over to log into their PayPal to make this payment. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to send a PayPal payment link with your Bigin CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.